Back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace, and if you're new here, make sure you click the red subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. This is an oil that I bought a few days ago. So if you have noticed, I haven't been posting on my channel recently, and there was no motivation and everything, and I was just doing my thing. And then I just got back on YouTube and just bought a few products, some famous products that I wanted to test out for you guys, products and affordable product. So for my testing out phase, I wanted to pick up something for each category. I picked up a shampoo, a deep conditioner, a treatment. I also picked up an oil, a styler, and some kind of shine spray. Shine spray is over there, and I'll make a video on each and every product just to see how they work and show you guys the products, because some of you have been asking me to review these type of products, and I've been slacking for a while. So the first product that is up is the Mielle Organics oil. This is an oil that I've also seen going all around, and it's some kind of famous oil of them. This is Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil infused with biotin and encourages growth. And this is for daily use, scalp treatment, and split end care. Now, I won't be able to show you the growth process because I'm not going to do a 30-day challenge with this. I'm just going to show you guys my review, the texture and everything, what I think of it. So it has a lot of ingredients. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a lot of ingredients, and first I want to let you know, so I actually got this from Walmart, from their website. Let me see how much I bought it. This retails on Walmart for $9.97. So the reason I bought it from Walmart is because you can also get it from Amazon, but all of these products I just want to see what Walmart has to offer, and Walmart is like a famous shopping place, I guess. I've never shopped at Walmart before, but this came from Walmart. So this is in a glass bottle. It's 2 fluid ounce, and basically it's $10 if you round it up. And this says infused with rosemary mint and biotin to invigorate the hair and scalp to encourage healthier, stronger hair while providing shine, smoothing split ends, great for hair and all textures and types, protective styles including braids, weaves, and chemically treated hair. This helps with length retention, invigorates and nourishes hair follicles, conditions dry scalp, and smooth split ends. So the reason I bought this one is because I love a good mint sensation on my scalp, and I have been, how do you say this? I have been ignoring my hair for the longest, so my hair needs to get back out there. I think like for a few months I have been ignoring my hair. It's just because I was busy and demotivated, and yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna try this on my scalp, and this has basically different ways to use it. You can use it for a scalp treatment, daily use, and split end care. From the split end care, I don't know, because split ends, if they're split, they're split. There's no way to repair them, or no. The only way you can make them look good is to nourish them, maybe. But other than that, if they're split, they split. The only way you can fix them is to cut it off. No bonding treatment, no nothing can fix your split ends. But yeah, we're gonna see what this has to offer. So for the scalp treatment, it says section your hair in 4 parts, exposing the scalp. Apply a small amount of oil, massage it in, comb through, and leave in and style as desired. For daily use, you could just apply a small amount and comb through your hair. And for split end care, you just apply this to your hair to your ends of your hair. Place plastic cap and leave it on for 10 minutes. Rinse with shampooing. And this has a lot of ingredients. I'm not gonna even read them. Just, you can go on the website and look at all the ingredients, but let me just name a few. Soybean oil, castor oil, rosemary oil, jojoba oil, peppermint oil, eucalyptus, coconut oil, lavender, horsetail. Yeah. Vitamin D, ascorbic acid, rice bran oil, vitamin E, all of that. So it has some thickening oils, or like I would say some oils that are thick in texture. But one thing that I've noticed is that this is not that thick in texture. It's super watery. If you were to put this on your desk and this falls over, everything is gone. A whole $10 gone. So the moment I open this up, I smell the mint, which is really good. I love the minty sensation. So my hair hasn't been washed in, I would say, some kind of week. Still taking care of it, or I mean, I'm still trying to take care of it. It's not in the best condition. I am trying to lift it back up. My hair has been growing. I did apply oil for the time that I haven't been taking care of it, but my hair itself, I was slacking. Right now my hair is waist length, and I have been stressing lately, so my hair might be a little bit thinner. I think I'm gonna use this as a scalp treatment. I'm gonna leave my hair like that for maybe an hour and then shampoo my hair, and after shampooing I'll add it again, just so on clean scalp it feels even better. Super runny, but it smells amazing. I have to be careful with this because if this falls, $10, poof, gone. Let me just, I'm taking like a half a dropper for each section and gently getting the drops out. I'm gonna put a little bit on my finger. The texture, it's not that oily. So just gonna leave this on my hair. I'm not gonna rinse it out yet. Maybe like leave it for an hour. So this is my review of it. I just know for a fact that my hair is gonna feel, my scalp is gonna feel good because I have tried minty treatments like the Curls Blueberry Bliss. It feels exactly like the Curls Blueberry Bliss mint scalp oil, which is a bigger bottle, like an 8-ounce bottle, I think. Wait, no, a 4-ounce bottle. And this feels exactly like that, the minty sensation, and when you rinse it off, your scalp feels nice and cooling, and when you put it on clean hair, amazing. I am going to post a curly hair routine using the new products and to see what the routine makes of it, and then you can also look in that curly hair routine to see my update and updated thoughts about this. But for now, this is my organics oil. Then you now have an indication of the texture, the smell, the amount and everything. I would definitely recommend this oil. I don't know if you can see this, but I didn't even use a lot. I would say half a dropper for each section and then a little bit more to put on my scalp, put on my fingertips, I mean. So I think a little bit might go a long way because you don't need a lot. You feel the minty sensation, which I like. Sometimes with oils you need to apply it and think, hey, I'm not really applying enough. But with this you can definitely feel the minty sensation in your hair. And what would also be good is if you place a plastic cap, which your body will make heat, and then it will be an even better treatment for your scalp. My scalp already feels amazing with this. Like, it feels very nice. I know I haven't left it on too long to feel anything, but it feels super nice. Make sure you also still do a patch test before trying this for 24 hours and see if you have an allergic reaction. But yeah, that was my video. If you guys want a updated video, or to see this how I use this oil again and hear my thoughts in next one, make sure you just check out my channel. I will be posting very often now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, click the red subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it, and I will see you guys in my next